In this video, I'm going to show you how to accompany. I'm also going to give you 3 accompaniment styles which will make you in demand as a piano player. Accompanying is what you do when you play with either a singer or other musicians. So basically, your main job is to play the chords of a song in interesting ways. You've got to make the music feel good and you've got to make the soloist shine. It's a massive responsibility, but it's also very, very rewarding. So one of the tools that you can use as a beginner accompanist is a chord chart. Now, to be honest, I never really used chord charts when I was learning, but they do make explaining things a lot easier. I'll always recommend that you rather play everything from memory. This way, your hearing and your understanding of music will improve faster. Anyway, a chord chart will still come in handy and you will definitely come across it at some point in your life. So you might as well learn it anyway. Here's an example. A chord chart basically explains 2 important things. Firstly, the time signature. The time signature basically shows you how many beats are in each bar. For example, if it says 4/4, that means you'll count 1, 2, 3, 4 for every bar, like this maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If it says 3, 4, then that means you're counting 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If it says, it could even say 5, 4, and that means you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and I'm sure you recognize that song called Take 5 by Dave Brubeck. The second thing that a chord chart will tell you is the chords, and I guess that's why it's called a chord chart, right? You'll see chord symbols like maybe C, G, A minor, or F, and these will be written out either in a simple sequence like this, or sometimes they're written above the lyrics to the song that you're playing. Once you understand how to read a chord chart, then you can start experimenting with how you will play those chords. So for instance, if I look at this chord chart here, I'm already asking myself, shall I play it like this? Or maybe I could play it like this. Or maybe I might be playing it like this. So basically, playing chords isn't just about pressing the notes all at once. It's more about how you play them. Let's look at 3 ways in which we can transform basic chords into interesting accompaniment. The first way is to play chords on every beat. So for example, I could go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm playing on every single beat. I'm playing on 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. So this creates a sense of movement and energy. And for instance, you'll find it in songs like Let It Be by the Beatles. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's also Imagine by John Lennon. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Imagine there's no heaven. And even modern bands like maybe Coldplay, they've got a song called The Scientist. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the common thread in all these songs is that in this style, it gives the music a sense of drive, a nice steady driving feel. I want you to try this out with simple chords, the C, G, A minor and F that we've learned. You could even try this in different chord progressions, and notice how playing like this fills up all the space, so that instead of just like 1, 2, 3, 4, now you've got more. 1, 2, 3. Like this is a 1, 5, 6, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or maybe I'll play 6, 4, 1, 5 and go 6, 4, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3. Even 1, 6, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's playing on every beat. Here's the second accompaniment style. I call it breaking a chord into 2. What this simply means is instead of playing all the notes together, you play the top 2 notes. In this case, that's E and G. So you play those first, followed by the bottom note, which is C. So you're going to play. So this creates a nice rhythm and adds some variety. If I play 1, 5, 6, 4, I'm already starting to hear a song like Don't Stop Believing. Yeah, made a little mistake there, but I guess you get the idea. You can also hear this even in songs like Easy by Lionel Richie. So he's playing the full chord and then he breaks it into 2. He goes to the next chord. We haven't learned this chord, but basically the concept is the same. Top 2 notes, bottom note. Top 2 notes, bottom note. This one we know. C followed by. And now for the third trick, or the third style. Breaking the chord into 3. That means you will now play the notes of the chord one by one. So you can play it like that, or I was going up there, but I could go up and down. Actually, if I did this on C and A minor, you can start to hear a familiar song, Hallelujah. I heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? What am I doing? I'm simply playing the bass note, followed by the broken chord, up and down. So that's something that you could do to make your chords more effective. I also hear this in songs like Someone Like You. So Adele actually plays something like this. And again, I know there's chords we haven't learnt yet, but the concept is the same. At this point, we need to talk about the sustain pedal. Using the pedal will make your accompaniment sound smoother and more professional. I've actually been using the sustain pedal throughout. So if you've never used the pedal, watch this lesson here that I created a while ago. A quick tip for you is don't hold the pedal down continuously. otherwise it will sound muddy. So just lift it slightly every time you change the chord. So when you play a different chord, your pedal goes up and down, otherwise it will sound muddy. So far, I know that we've only covered C, F, G and A minor, but if you'd like to learn what other chords look like or how they're formed, then also I want you to watch this lesson right here on chord shapes. It's going to open up so many possibilities for your playing, and it will give you access to a lot of songs that you like. Remember, your job is to support the soloist and to make the music feel amazing. I want you to practice the 3 techniques we covered, experiment with different songs, and then let me know how it's going in the comments below. Quick reminder of what they were: you can either play on every beat, or you can break the chord into 2, or you break the chord into 3. Actually, another song that's come to mind is, I think it's No One by Alicia Keys. She plays something like. She's basically combining some of these, and I know I've simplified it a little bit, and it might be in a different key. So next time we're going to explore some left-hand patterns to take your accompaniment skills to the next level. Don't forget to like, to share and subscribe for more piano tips and lessons. I hope to see you in the next lesson, which is right here.